Good day to all of you. Once again, this is your teacher Daniel, and today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-perform ng mga operations sa ating mga rational algebraic expression. So, ang unang-unang muna natin gagawin is I'm going to share with you how to multiply and divide rational algebraic expression. Now, before that, balikan muna natin yung topic nyo nung kayo ay elementary pa, no? So you're trying to multiply two fraction. Let's say 21 over 20 times 5 over 7. So in this case, the usual thing that we do is to multiply immediately those numbers, 21 times 5, 20 times 7, and then simplify it. Pero alam nyo ba, may mas madaling paraan dyan. Hindi na po natin muna kailangang i-multiply agad yung mga numbers. Instead, ang gagawin natin, let us try to factor 21 and 20. Tapos mag-cancellation tayo para yung fraction mas gumaan siya. Okay. Susubukan natin. So, if you have 21 over 20, that is also the same as 7 times 3. Because 7 times 3 is 21. 7, 14, 21. Over, how about 20? 20 is the same as 4 times 5. Okay. So, nagbago yung fraction natin. Yung 21 over 20, naging ganito siya. And then, let us copy. So, ang ginawa natin, finactor lang po natin. And then, we will copy 5 over 7. In this manner, instead na i-multiply natin yung numerator and denominators, we simply factored 21 and 20. And then, we are going to divide, we are going to use cancellation para hindi na natin i-multiply yung mga numbers kasi lalaki lang di po ba? So, in this case, sa tingin ko, meron tayong 7 dito sa taas, may 7 tayo dito sa baba, as well as 5, And we cancel them out because 5 divided by 5 is just 1, 7 divided by 7 is just 1. So, in this manner, hindi mo na minultiply yung 21 times 5 or 20 times 7. Instead, parang sinisimplify natin siya. Okay? Sige. Now, ano na lang yung natira? Ang natira na lang po is 3 over 4. And that is the answer. So, imagine kung minultiply pa natin si 21 times 5, 20 times 7, lalaki lang yung number. Instead, you can factor them and then immediately cancel out those common factors. Now, kanina nagmo-multiply tayo. We will be dealing with multiplication and division simultaneously, So, I hope you could still bear with me with that. So, ito naman ngayon, ang gagawin natin, magdi-divide naman tayo. And you were taught, I think if not on grade 6, on grade 7, na pagka nagdi-divide ka, you simply get the reciprocal of the divisor and then proceed to multiplication. Yun lang po ang tatandaan natin. So, ang gagawin lang po natin, let us copy 16 over 99. Instead of dividing, we're going to use multiplication. And instead of copying 4 over 11, we're going to write the reciprocal of 4 over 11. When we say reciprocal, yung parang binabaliktad yung fraction. Ganun lang yung kasimple. Okay? So, yung numerator natin ngayon magiging 11, tapos yung magiging denominator natin is 4. So, ulitin ko lang po, copy 16 over 99, then proceed to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of 4 over 11, which is 11 over 4. Now, magmumultiply ba tayo? Hindi. Again, magfa-factor tayo. Okay po? So, what is the factor of 16? That is 4 times 4. How about 99? That is the same as 9 times 11. And you have here 11 over 4. 4. At katulad ng ginawa natin kanina sa multiplication, instead na multiply natin yung mga numbers, yung mga numerators like 16 and 4, tapos yung denominators, 99 times 11, lalaki lang yung number. Ang gawin natin, ifa-factor natin, tapos mag-cancellation tayo. So that is, let us cancel 4, let us cancel 11. So what is left is 4 over 9. O, di ba mas madali? Kaysa naman i-multiply natin yung mga numbers. So the quotient, take note yung original operation natin dito is division. Nag-proceed lang tayo sa multiplication, but we get the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 4 over 11. The divisor is 11 over 4. So the quotient of 16 over 99 divided by 4 over 11 is 4 over 9. Now, syempre, yun yung ginagawa natin nung tayo ay elementary pa, no? We're dealing with fractions. But since we are now on grade 8, we will be dealing with rational algebraic expressions. At katulad din sila ng mga fractions. We can multiply them, we can divide them, we can add them, and we can subtract them. So let's say you have 9x squared y over 4a squared b cubed times, you're looking for the product of these two rational expressions, 2ab squared over 3xb to the fourth. Or 3x squared, sorry, b to the fourth. So what will be their quotient? Again, what will be their, sorry, what will be their product? Again, hindi po natin sila i-multiply kasi lalaki lang, lolobo lang yung mga terms, yung mga monomials. Instead, gagawin natin, we'll be employing factoring techniques. Okay? So let us try to factor 9. That is the same as 3 times 3. Do we have to factor the, do you have to factor those literal coefficients? No, we don't have to, we really don't have to, factor them in terms of their prime factors. Instead, gagamitin natin yung ginagamit natin sa, in simplifying rational algebraic expressions wherein, sinusubtract na lang natin yung mga exponent. Okay? Sige, subukan natin sa x squared y. Maingat lang talaga tayo sa numbers. Kaya, pinaprioritize natin na i-factor yung mga numbers in this presentation. But later on, gagawin natin, magka-cancellation na rin tayo sa numbers. So, how about 4? 4 is the same as 2 times 2. A squared b cubed. Okay. Times, you have 2ab squared over 3x squared b to the fourth. So, dito pa lang, meron kang b squared at saka may b fourth. May b to the fourth ka. So, ang gagawin natin, evaluate natin sila agad. So, cancel this. Cancel yung malaking exponent. Divide natin by 2. So, that is 2. So, b squared siya. Okay? b squared siya. Oh. What else? Mayroon pa ba tayong makaka-cancel dito from this fraction alone? Pag wala na, tingnan natin yung kabila. O, sa tingin nyo ba meron tayong pwedeng ma-cancel from this fraction? Kung sa tingin nyo wala, now we could compare na between these two rational algebraic expression. Kung may maka-cancel. Bago ka tumawid, kailangan tingnan mo muna from its own rational algebraic expression. Kung meron tayong maka-cancel, katulad nito, b squared and b to the fourth, na-cancel agad, Pag wala na, at saka ka tumawid. Okay. So, we can cancel here 3. We can cancel here 2. What else? Oh, we can cancel x squared. Ayan. Oh, what else? Do we still have anything to cancel? Yes, meron pa, no? We still have here a. Cancel a here, but cancel here the exponent 2. Mangyayari sa kanya 1 na lang because we subtracted their exponent. At ang masusunod, syempre, yung may exponent na may malaking malaking value. Absolute value. Okay. So, sa tingin nyo, meron pa ba tayong pwede ma-cancel? Kung wala na, let us now rewrite this expression. So, ito na lang natira, no? 3y over, so dito b squared, dito naman meron kang b cube. So i-add natin yung exponent nila. Let us combine them. At saka meron kang a raised to 1 at saka meron kang 2. So that will be 2a b to the 5th. O bakit b to the 5th? Because b cube times b squared is b to the 5th. At saka pa lang tayo nag-multiply. Okay? Kung hindi siya na-cancel at nagkataon meron pareho sa baba or sa taas, tsaka pa lang natin siya i-multiply after nating mag-cancel para hindi masyadong malaki yung mga kino-combine natin. So the answer is 3y, or the product of this two rational algebraic expression is 3y over 2ab to the 5th. Let us now have another problem. This time, hindi na product, hindi naman product. Ang hinahanap natin is the quotient. We will be dividing. Yan. Okay, so this is the most exciting part because whenever you see binomials, trinomials, you might be applying factoring techniques. Okay. So in this case, we could rewrite this expression as this following expression as the first rational algebraic expression could be written in the form of x times x minus y. O bakit? Kasi tinanggal natin or finactor out natin yung greatest common factor or yung GCMS, greatest common monomial factor. Sa denominator niya, we can rewrite that as, take note, it follows the difference of two squares. So that is the same as x minus y times x plus y. Now, yung naging paalala ko sa inyo in dividing, di ba? Whenever you are dividing, you proceed to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, in the same manner, if you're dividing here, we will proceed to multiplication, but we'll be getting the reciprocal of the divisor. So, itong nasa denominator na x plus y, mapupunta siya sa taas. Ganun lang kasimple. So, x plus y. Wala naman siyang ibang factor. So, as is. Ay, paano yung x squared minus 2xy? So, we can actually factor out, I think we can factor out x. Ganyan. And then, yung tira sa loob is x minus 2y. Now, we are ready to cancel. So, ano yung makaka-cancel natin? Bago ka tumawid, kailangan tingnan mo muna from its own rational algebraic expression. So, x minus y, we can cancel here x minus y. Okay na? So, dito wala naman tayong makakancel. Tsaka pa lang tayo tatawid. Can we cancel x? Okay, we can cancel x. Yan. Let us cancel this x. We can cancel x plus y. Let us cancel here x plus y. So, natira na lang sa atin. Wala nang natira sa taas, ano? At napag-usapan na natin na pagka na-cancel lahat sa taas, ang isusulat natin is 1. So, that will be 1 over x minus 2y. Okay, so this time, ang gagawin naman natin, we'll try to find the product of this rational algebraic expressions. Okay. Pero, kung mapapansin nyo po, yung numerator ng first rational algebraic expression natin is a trinomial na, no? So, this is in the form of a general trinomial. In the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. And usually, we use or we employ the AC method in factoring. Dito na kasi nagagamit yung factoring techniques natin. Not only in simplifying rational algebraic expression, nagagamit rin natin to whenever we're dealing with operations of rational algebraic expressions. Na instead na i-multiply natin yung mga polynomials, we will try to figure out kung baka kasi may mga factor naman sila na pwedeng makancel para hindi na masyadong malaki yung magiging mga polynomials natin. Okay? So, Ano kaya yung factor ni y squared plus xy minus 6x squared? So, let us first figure out what will be the factor of that polynomial. So we can make use not only the AC method, we can also employ we could also employ the trial and error method. So let us just put here y and y because it is y squared. Then what will be the factor of 6 that will make 1? Kasi 1 yan dito, hindi na sinusulat yung 1. What will be the factor of 6 that will make 1? So that is 3 and 2, ano? So we can put here, take note meron tayong x squared. So x and then x. Para mamaya, if we're going to multiply their first terms and their last terms, magiging y squared at saka magiging x squared. And then we have to write here 3 and we should write here 2. Sige. Pero since negative to, it tells us na yung isa positive, yung isa negative. Pero sino kaya? Ito naman, it tells us na yung mas malaking number, dapat siya yung masunod, positive. Yung mas malaking number, positive. At siya dapat masunod whenever we subtract them. So, ganito lang yan. Ito, it tells us na pagka minultiply mo yung last terms ng mga binomials, magiging negative sila. So, it also tells us, therefore, that yung isa positive, yung isa negative. Hindi lang natin alam kung si 3 ba, si 3x ba o si 2x ba yung positive or negative. Pero, ito, it tells us na maybe yung mas malaking number, siya yung positive. Kasi magsusubtract ka niyan later on. Sige. So therefore, ang magiging sign ni 3x is positive at yung magiging sign ni 2x is negative. Now, huwag tayo maging kampante. Kailangan i-double check natin kung tama yung factors natin. Ano po? So, y times y is y squared. Yung mga last terms, 3, the positive 3x times negative 2x is negative 6x squared. Tama. How about the inside term? So we will be employing now FOIL method in checking. Although we are using the, what is this? We are using trial and error method. We still have the obligation to check and double check if the factors are correct. So the product 3x times y is 3xy. The outside term will be negative 2xy. So 3xy minus 2xy is 1xy or xy. So tama yung middle term natin. It jives to our inside and outside terms. So therefore, yung factors natin tama. How about for the denominator of the first rational algebraic expression? So mapapansin nyo, we can it follows the difference of two squares. So we can factor that polynomial as 2x minus 3y times 2x plus 3y. Diba? Ang galing. What else? So this is 2x plus 3y. Hindi yan natin babaliktad rin kasi times yan. Binabaliktad lang natin pag nagdi-divide. Or kinukuha lang yung reciprocal pag nagdi-divide. Okay. Sige. Y minus 2x. Now let us try to let us try to investigate kung meron tayong pwede makancel. So here, bago tayo tumawid, kailangan tingnan muna natin kung meron tayong maka-cancel by its own rational algebraic expression. So y plus 3x, wala naman So kung wala na, pwede na tayong tumawid. We can cancel immediately y minus 2x. We could also cancel 2x plus 3y. Kailangan medyo matalas lang yung mata mo nito para wala ka nakakaligtaan. So therefore, ang natira na lang is y plus 3x over 2x minus 3y. And that's the answer. Let us have one last example. So, papansin nyo, lahat ata trinomial, ano? So, hinahinay lang. Hindi naman yan nakukuha sa madalian. So, isa-isahin lang natin. So, ano yung magiging factor nito? And take note, kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng divisor. So, mas mabuti siguro sulat na lang natin yung reciprocal ng divisor, then let us proceed to multiplication para naka-ready na, at saka tayo mag-factor para hindi tayo malito. So, that is also the same as multiplying the reciprocal of the divisor, that is x squared plus 4x plus 3 over x squared plus 7x plus 12. Para dun sa mga nagtatanong, reciprocal is the same as the multiplicative inverse of a fraction or of a rational algebraic expression. Times, kukunin natin yung kabaliktaran ng divisor. So that would be x squared plus 6x plus 8. Napunta siya sa taas. Over x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now we are multiplying the reciprocal of the divisor. Tsaka na natin siya tingnan yung mga factors niya. Hindi na tayo dito titingin. Dito na tayo titingin sa kabila. Sige. What will be the factor of x squared plus 4x plus 3? So, by trial and error, pwede naman natin gamitin yung method ganito. X times x. Now, what is the factor of 3 that will make 4? That is simply 3 and 1. Kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ata ng polynomials natin, puro positive, ano? So, that's one good thing. Mas madali silang i-factor pagka mga positive sila. Check natin yung... since puro naman yan positive, so, malamang, yung mga, yung mga operation na sa bawat binomial is also pluses. Pero, meron tayong obligation po na i-double check kung yung mga factors natin ay tama. So, the inside term will be x and the outside term will be 3x. X plus 3x is 4x. So, tama. Correct. Tama yung factor natin. Ito yun, ano? So, tama yung factor natin. Over, ito naman, x squared plus 7x plus 12. Again, sulat tayo ng parenthesis. Tapos, immediately, x dito, kasi x squared sila mamaya. Yung 12. What is the factor of 12 that will make 7? That is 4 times 3. 4 is 12. So, 4 times 3. That is 12. And whenever you add them, they will make 7. And since puro positive yung kanilang mga operations. Sorry. Hindi puro positive dito. Pero, kailangan i-double check natin. 3x is the inside term, 4x is the outside term, that makes up 7x. 3 times 4 is 12, and x times x is x squared. So, tama. Times, wag na natin itong tingnan, ha. Kung pwede lang, takpan nyo to eh. Takpan nyo yan para hindi tayo malito. Instead, dito tayo magbase. So, tapos na to, eto naman. What will be the factor of x squared plus 6x plus 8? Again, sulat ulit tayo ng dalawang parentheses. X dito, because they make x squared. Mamaya. What will be the factor of 8 that will make 6? Could be 4 times 2. And since lahat naman positive, so positive. Now, double check natin. 2x times 4x is 6x and 2 times 4 is 8. So, tama. The last is x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay, dalawang parenthesis ulit. Ganyan. Then, x and then x. Now, what are the factors of 2 that will make 3? That is simply, wala naman siyang ibang factor kundi 2 times 1. So that will be 2 and 1. And then, since puro siya positive, Ang gagawin na lang natin, double check natin. X and 2x. Combine x and 2x, that will be 3x. Now that we were able to double check, triple check yung ating mga factors, we are dividing, we proceed to multiplication, and we get the reciprocal of the divisor. Now is the time na pwede na tayo mag-cancel. Sige, tingnan natin na from its own rational algebraic expression. The first rational algebraic expression, makikita mo meron ka kaagad maka-cancel. Sige, dito naman sa pangalawa, meron agad x plus 2. What else? At saka na tayo tumawid. X plus 1, we have x plus 1. Take note ha, ang kinakancel po natin sa numerator at saka sa denominator. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-cancel na pareho silang nasa denominator or pareho silang nasa numerator. Hindi. Ang kinakancel po natin, just like what I taught you when we are studying simplifying algebraic expressions, simplifying rational algebraic expression, ang kinakancel natin from the numerator and from the denominator. Oh. The last is x plus 4 and x plus 4. Oh, sir, sir, lahat naman nata na-cancel, di ba? Oh, na-cancel pala lahat. So, the answer is 1. 1 over 1 or 1. Haba-haba nung ating polynomials. 1 lang pala yung sagot. Now, I'll be leaving a home quiz for you to answer at home. I want you to perform the indicated operation. It is only limited to multiplications and division. Okay? I want you to multiply number 1, number 2 multiply, number 3 divide. Don't forget to get the reciprocal of the divisor. Hindi nyo kailangang i-combine yung numerators and denominators, but simply use factoring techniques para hindi na lumaki yung ating mga expression. The same with number 4, you're going to multiply, and for number 5, you're going to divide. We will proceed to multiplication and get the reciprocal of this divisor. And then please employ factoring techniques in evaluating the following problems.